Hey, this is Andrea Adams Miller, the leading authority in healthy relationships and healthy business practices. www.andreaadamsmiller.com. You know, I never knew how important it was to be a client of someone and have them remember my birthday until I was a client of a very respectful person who forgot my birthday. And I didn't think I would be upset about it, but I was like, hey, I didn't get a card. I didn't get a phone call. I didn't get an email. And it dawned on me, I was a good customer. I wanted that contact. I wanted that little extra special touch. So please reach out to your clients. Let them know that you're thinking about them on their birthdays. Put them on a calendar. Do a send out card. Do whatever you need to do. Have a secretary do it for you. It doesn't really matter just as long as the information gets out that you were thinking of them. Heck, it's so easy nowadays. You can use social media. It's so simple just to jump on there really quick or pay a secretary, invest in a secretary to do it for you and have them write happy birthday to that person. It really will make them feel better, make them feel more connected, and let them know that you're thinking of them on their special day. So happy birthday to any of you, and remember that quick tip to help increase your healthy business relationships.